Guys, welcome back to the channel. You can see what I have behind me. Today we're talking all about detailing products. What should you buy and what I use? Let's get into it. All right, so detailing products. There is a lot out there. Retail detailing products, there's specialty brand detailing products. The list goes on and on. So a lot of people, I think, when they're looking into getting some products to clean up their car, no matter what car it is, it doesn't have to be a Mustang, that's what I have, but it can be any car you want. If you find value in it, you probably want to keep it clean. But I think a lot of people struggle with what detailing products should you buy if you're new to it. There's so many out there, and there's so many that advertise they're gonna do the exact same thing. So how do you know which one to buy? I wanna see if I can help you out with that. Let me show you what I use. All right, so lined up in front of you here, I have a couple different products that I use. I have more than this, believe it or not, but these are a couple that I've pulled down to kind of show you some of the brands that I like, some of the products I like. And this is going to be a very kind of overview. I probably will do more videos going into more in depth on these products, but there's a lot of videos like that out there already. But you can kind of see there's a couple brands that I prefer to use over others. And I guess I'll just start kind of on the left-hand side here. You can see a lot of these, or actually all of these right here, are Chemical Guys products. They are really popular. You can find them in all big box stores, retail stores, your AutoZone, your Advanced Auto, Walmart even now. And of course on their website, you can go get a bunch more. So those, their products are pretty good. My only concern with Chemical Guys products is that there is a different product for the same application, right? So they'll have like an interior cleaner that does something else that you really don't know what it does. There's another interior cleaner. There's like hundreds of exterior cleaning, protecting products, a bunch of different soaps out there. So it can be a little tough to choose what to try, because reality, a lot of them do very similar work, right? They do the same for the most part. Griot's Garage is actually another one that I really like. There's a lot of products from them that I enjoy. I have a lot of their buffing pads, cutting pads, things like that. And here's just a couple products that I've used from them recently. They have their wheel cleaner is pretty good. I will go ahead and say, if you guys are looking for an interior cleaner, this is the stuff to get. I've tried a lot of different ones. This is the Chemical Guys interior cleaner here. This one's good as well. Like if you can't find this one, that one's not bad. This one just seems to be a little bit less like streaky when you're driving or drying it off. Now it does depend to what you're really doing to the car, right? What you want done. Are you cleaning the exterior, the interior, exhaust tips? Are you putting a coating on the car? Are you doing wheels and tires? Are you touching up plastics? There's so much, and I can't cover it all in this video. But for kind of an overview, Griot's Garage and Chemical Guys, tons of product offerings. But there's still some other ones I use that are not from them. And even if you're not into cars, you'll probably know this brand. Meguiar's. Yes, Meguiar's. Yes, they've been around forever. Since dinosaurs have roamed the earth, Meguiar's has been making car cleaning products. And they're pretty good, but they've been around forever. I don't use a ton of their stuff. I did decide to give this ceramic wax kind of stuff a try, and I think it did a good job. But I'll get into more of a ceramic comparison video later on. I have tried this. I've tried this, and the Hydro Slick from Chemical Guys. All of those products do very similar work, so those three anyway. So my favorite, I'll just spoil it, is actually this guy. So Griot's Garage for the win there. But maybe I'll do a comparison video at some point in time if you guys are interested. Now Meguiar's, a couple of them that I do like. One, I did like this stuff, but I like their waterless wash. I don't use it too often, but if the car is not really dirty, like if I just washed it, you know, a day or two before and it's been in the garage and I just want to clean it up a little bit, I'll hit it with this, with a microfiber towel, and just go around it, and that's really nice. This stuff works good. You can tell I just bought this replacement bottle because I just finished one up, so that one is nice as well. Next, you gotta have your invisible glass. This stuff works great. There's a lot of glass cleaners out there, so I'm not gonna really get into that, but invisible glass has been a go-to of mine for a long time. So breaking this down into interior and exterior. If you're new to this and you're just looking for a couple good products to get you going, let me show you what I think you should start out with. All right, let's start off with the interior. For the interior, I'm gonna have to give it to Griot's Garage Interior Cleaner. This stuff is awesome. I use this all the time, and I only have a little left, guys. I gotta get more. But that stuff, let me make sure it's official. There we go. That stuff is great. It rarely leaves streaking on kind of that aluminized metal finish. The Mustang has some of that in its interior, and it cleans everything. You can clean your seats, you can take it, you know, use it on LCD panels. I mean, you can clean your whole car with it. Not used on glass though. You can't use it on glass. I figured I should mention that because someone is gonna do it. But yes, that interior cleaner, awesome. I love it. So that's what I would recommend for that one to try, to just start off and try. If you can't find that one, like I said earlier, Jesus Christ, can't find that one, Chemical Guys, they make a good interior cleaner as well. This one and the Griots, you can't go wrong. They're pretty safe interior cleaners. This one I found leaves a little bit more streaking than the Griot's Garage one, but that's just my personal opinion. But if I don't have that on hand, I usually have this, and I'm okay with using it. So either one of these, guys, you can't go wrong with that. Now, exterior use. There is a lot for exterior options, and if you're going down the Chemical Guys website or just looking at your local Walmart or whatever, there's a lot. Now, what I've been using recently, which I really like actually, and I'm not like a Chemical Guys fanboy here, but I do like this. This is their Extreme Body Wash and Wax. You can use this on your car. I use it in the shower. It's great. You can use it to wash your dishes, clean the toilets, whatever you gotta do. Just kidding. Only for your car, folks, but it smells like grapes and it works great, especially in the foam cannon, actually. Now, they do make specialized foam spray. It's like their snow foam soap, I guess. But I don't know. I picked up a couple of these and I really like them. So if you guys are looking to try a new soap, this one suds up a ton, and it smells great as well, and leaves the paint really smooth. So that's also something that I look for. But mainly the suds. You can notice in a lot of more inexpensive soaps, and even some, you know, higher end stuff occasionally you get, that the suds don't carry very long. Like the soap kind of wears thin after a while, and that's just something I look for when I use this. So nice option. Now on to wheels and tires. There's also tons of options out there, guys, but here are 3 options that I think are pretty good. If I'm gonna rate these 1 through 3, I'm gonna have to say the Griot's Garage is gonna be number 1. And you'll notice here, Adams Polishes, this wheel and tire cleaner, to be honest, you can't find it in a lot of stores right now because it's a little bit more specialized, but you can get this stuff online. Amazon carries it, and through the videos and stuff from Adams Polishes, it looked to be pretty good. I just wasn't super impressed with it. I thought it was okay, and it did the job, but it required a little bit extra scrubbing, you know, and so maybe that means it's safer, but I don't know. I didn't like that one as much, and this one I didn't think worked too well. I would say this one's a little bit higher price point, guys, but I think it's worth it. This one, it'll actually turn kind of that purpley color when it comes in contact with those ironized particles there, brake dust. And so you can kind of see this stuff working. So that's kind of a cool little effect, but it works really well. And you can honestly spray some of this on there, lightly agitate it with a brush, and spray it off, especially if you have a pressure washer. This stuff will take brake dust off, no problem. So that is an awesome product right there. You guys see a pattern emerging here? Chemical Guys, Griot's Garage. Those are my two favorites. Chemical Guys and Griot's Garage. I use a ton of their stuff. You can see if you look to my cabinet, I have a bunch of other crap up here. You know, we got some other Meguiar's stuff. We got some other waxes, other detailing sprays, things like that. And I got another thing of this wash here. You can see there's a lot of different stuff that I've tried over time, but and people are way more crazy than I am with this stuff. I mean, this is light compared to a lot of detailing folks out there. But yeah, I would say that if you're in the middle of deciding what to go with, what brand to choose for detailing products, look at Griot's Garage first. I think a lot of their stuff is great. Second, I would hit up Chemical Guys. They have everything under the sun you could possibly imagine. Maybe a little bit too much of everything, if I'm honest. And then third, you got your old reliable Meguiar's. Now, a couple products that I really want to try out in the future are the Ammo product line. Ammo NYC, I believe, is the guy's YouTube channel. And his products are really appealing. He does great videos, so if you're into detailing, you've probably seen his stuff. If not, go check it out, Ammo NYC. You can see all their cool products. Those I want to try in the future. It does seem like those are a little bit more expensive, so it might not be something you want to try right out of the gate if you're looking for something quick. That's why in this video I tried to hang on to some of the easier to obtain products, which is like your Chemical Guys, the Griot's Garage, and Meguiar's, of course. So I hope that helped in making some of your decisions here. Like I said, in the future, I'm gonna go more in depth with these products, and we might do some testing on them as well to see how well they work, if you guys want. Let me know down below if that's something that you guys would be interested in, because I like to keep my car clean, and I'm assuming a lot of you guys watching the channel are also just like me. So let me know what you guys think down below, guys. And of course, if you like the video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel. We cleared 600 subs recently, so it is growing, and I'm super happy you guys are with me. With all that being said, you guys have a great day, and I will catch you in the next upload. Have a good one. Bye.